Hello, good morning, Judy. What about this two-story house in Galle at Karapitia? Right, this is the house entrance here. This is the road access to the property. It is more than 15 feet wide road, like this. And here's the car porch for two vehicles. And here's the passage in front of the house. If you're going to lease this property, the property owner agreed to fully repairs and color wash, right? This house has a surrounding wall, right? And this is the spacious living area with tile floor, right? And the ground floor has 2 bedrooms. This is a 1 bedroom and 1 shared bathroom for 2 bedrooms. Okay, this is the bathroom. And this is the 2nd bedroom of the ground floor. But there's no AC, only fans. If you want AC, the property owner likes to install them. The ground floor has like this small kitchenette. This area not clean yet, right? And this is the back side of the house. This is the servant room. This is the servant room. And here is the spacious kitchen and pantry, right? With wooden ceiling and tiled floor. And this is the back side of the house. It is direct face to a huge paddy field. And this is the outside traditional cooking area. And this is a wet kitchen area, like this spaces. There's a dog kennels also. You see, there's a dog kennel, right? And it has another 60 perches bare land with some fruits and coconut trees like this. You can enjoy that property also, right? Okay. Thank you. I'll show you the second floor of the house next. Okay. And Judy, this is the second floor of the house. This is the staircase to the second floor. Alright. The second floor has very spacious living area like this. Right. And this is the 1 bedroom on the second floor. Ceiling. And here's the balcony view with the outside and road access like this. This is the 2nd bedroom of the 2nd floor. And it has a 1 shared bathroom. And this is the 3rd bedroom of the 2nd floor. And 3rd bedroom of the 2nd floor. This is the master bedroom, right? It is views of the green views like this, very close to the Karapetiya to public hospital and private hospital from here, not more than 1 kilometer, right? These are green views to the master bedroom of the second floor. It has a wooden ceiling and titanium floors. Right? It has a separate bathroom like this. Right? Two shared bathroom on the second floor. Okay, thank you.